Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Musa from the Winx Club and Dress to Impress. I did do the one where she had longer hair, so just jump in the salon and just color these bangs blue. I colored it with this hex code. Hold on, let me just find this pigtail. 332951. Go no bangs on this one and color it that same color. Then for the ribbon on her arm, we are just going to use this one here in just the veil option. Color it this color, 704075 in matte. I also use these boots from the code items in this red, 9163A. Made it a little bit lighter because we are going to add that silk color, and then on the bottom make it darker with that silk material again. For the outfit, we're going to use this skirt here in that same red in glitter, and this top in that same red in glitter. Then for the headphones, we're just going to obviously use this one in this color. Whoops, sorry. 861056. We are going to make it a little bit smaller, and we're going to rotate it like this way because that's how her headsets are. I am just going to move them further back a little bit, like this much. And then for the wings, just use this in a blue and purple. Was it purple or this pink? Okay. So this is the non-VIP version, but if you want to amp it up just a little bit, you can use this one in that same glitter red as the first base, and then the rest just color it red. Then you're going to grab these wings, make it bigger, and color it this blue, and then, is it this purple or pink? I don't remember. Okay, it's this purple, and then this like gray color. And that is it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.